In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on chess.com. Whether you're looking to refresh your identity or just fancy a new name, the process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to update your username on this popular online chess platform. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and head over to chess.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're accessing chess.com for the first time in a while, you might need to refresh your memory for those details, but it should be just like old times. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, bustling with all the chess-related features and options. Next, navigate your gaze to the menu positioned in the bottom left corner of the screen. Here lies the key to various settings and adjustments related to your account. You want to select Settings from this menu. Doing so will bring up a host of personal options, allowing you to customize your chess.com experience further. Within the Settings menu, look for the area that displays your current username. You should spot a button strikingly labeled Change next to it. Clicking this will allow you to open the field for altering your username. This is essentially the gateway to refreshing your online persona. Enter your desired new username into the provided field. It's a good idea to put some thought into this, as your username will be visible to other users across the platform. Choose something memorable and personal, but also appropriate and respectful, aligning with chess.com's community guidelines. Double check for any spelling errors before proceeding, as you want to ensure it's exactly how you intend it to appear. Once you're satisfied with your new selection, you'll need to save these changes. Simply click the Save button to confirm. By doing so, you officially make your new username active on the site, marking the completion of the process. It's that simple. The new username should now appear across your profile and various chess.com interactions. And there you have it, a new you in the world of chess in just a few easy steps. These changes are usually implemented immediately, so feel free to share your new username with your chess friends and communities right away. Remember, while this update is straightforward, it reflects a significant part of your online identity, so choose a name you'll be proud of. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you successfully change your username on chess.com. Enjoy your refreshed gaming experience, and happy playing.